Okay, I'm not even going to lie. When I look back at my old outfits, I literally cringe. Like, what was I even thinking? I genuinely believed I was very stylish, but in reality, I was making so many basic fashion mistakes that completely ruined my overall look. And I feel like we all go through this phase at some point. So today, I want to sit and talk about the fashion mistakes that I used to make so you can avoid them and upgrade your style without wasting time or money. The first and biggest mistake was wearing the wrong fit, like either my clothes were too tight or too loose, and I did not understand how much fit actually matters. Because even an expensive outfit can look cheap if the fitting is off. And now I have realized that well fitted clothes instantly make you look more put together and confident. Another mistake I made was over accessorizing. I used to wear everything at once, like big earrings, necklace, bracelets, rings, all together, thinking it looks fashionable, but it actually made my outfit look messy and overdone. And now I follow a simple rule: less is more. If I'm wearing statement earrings, I skip the necklace. If my outfit is heavy, I keep accessories minimal and it looks so much more elegant. Then comes the color mistake, which I think a lot of the people ignore. I used to randomly mix colors without thinking if they actually go together. Sometimes too many bright colors in one outfit or completely dull combinations that looked boring. And now I try to balance it, like keeping a neutral base and adding one pop color, which makes the outfit look more stylish and intentional. Another big mistake was blindly following the trends. Just because something is trending does not mean it will suit you. I used to buy the pieces that looked so good on others but did not match my body type or personality, and I ended up never wearing them again. So now I focus more on what actually suits me rather than what is viral. I also ignored the basics for a long time. I used to think basics are boring, but honestly, they are the most important part of your wardrobe. Simple tops, good jeans, neutral colors, these are the things that helps you to create multiple outfits easily. And one more mistake was not paying attention to the small details like footwear or hair, because even if your outfit is nice, wrong shoes or messy hair can completely ruin the look. And now I understand that styling is not just about clothes, it's about the overall appearance. And after making all these mistakes, I have learned that fashion is actually very simple. It's not about wearing expensive clothes or following every trend. It's about understanding what suits you, keeping things balanced, and feeling confident in whatever you wear. Because confidence is honestly the most important thing. If you feel good in your outfit, it automatically looks better. So yeah, these were some fashion mistakes that I used to make, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this. Let me know in the comment section what fashion mistakes you have made at least once in your life. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real and relatable fashion and beauty talks.